Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be using Salon Perfect's Neon Pop collection to create this fun geometric design. Anyways, if you want to see how it's done, please keep on watching. First, I'm going to apply a base coat and then one coat of a white polish. I'm going to ensure that this is completely dry before I move on to the next step. Then I'm going to use some striping tape to create the triangle patterns. I'm going to start by applying them vertically and then diagonally. Then I'm going to use Salon Perfect's Neon Pop collection and a dotting tool to fill in the triangles. I'm not going to follow any specific pattern, but I'm just trying to make sure that any adjacent triangles are not the same color. If you missed my last video, I swatched 9 polishes from Salon Perfect's Neon Pop collection, so I'll have that linked at the end of the video as well as in the description box below. Once all the triangles are filled in, I'm going to use a pair of tweezers to remove the striping tape in the opposite order that I put them on my nail. Once all the striping tape is removed, I'm going to use a cleanup brush dipped in acetone to clean up around my nail. And finally, I'm going to finish off with Salon Perfect's Crystal Clear Top Coat. And you're done! Here's the finished design. Anyways, that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching it, and if you did, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe down below if you haven't already. And if you recreate this design, be sure to tag me on Instagram at caramellogram so I can see. Anyways, that's all for today, and I'll see you next time. Bye!